clever and no one knew my name. But nowadays we only talk about.
Are you tired of sudden IT breakdowns that affect your work? Don't worry. CCTV Computers is here to give you hassle-free, reliable, and affordable IT support. We are your one-stop solution for computer, laptop, printer, and CCTV installation, repair, and annual maintenance services. Our expert services include computer, laptop repair, quick hardware and software solutions, printer installation, repair, hassle-free setup and maintenance for all brands, CCTV installation, networking. Secure your home and business with professional surveillance solutions, remote tech support, instant solutions for software installation, Windows errors, and system tune-ups, annual maintenance contracts, AMC. Keep your IT systems running smoothly all year round. AMC benefits. Offers with our AMC plans. You get Yeech Unlimited. It's support throughout the year. Yeech regular preventive maintenance to avoid sudden failures. Priority service with faster response time. 10% discount on parts. Upgrades range peace of mind. No hidden costs, no surprise bills. Special offer. Sign up for our annual AMC plan today and get one free preventive service worth $10. Why choose CCTV Computers? Trusted by hundreds of businesses and homes, CCTV Computers offers professional technicians, affordable pricing, and 100% customer satisfaction. Don't wait for problems to happen. Prevent them with our expert services. Call or WhatsApp us at 93,000 243 76,457.